if you've got a F-150 pickup approximately aged 2009 to 2014, you could get stranded if your fueling system circuit shorts out on fuse 27. Apparently when they manufactured the vehicles, the connection at fuse 27 is a little less than secure, and over the life of the truck, at some point that connection can arc onto fuse 27 and you lose your circuit. So here's your fuse box under the hood, and as you can see, right there's it, 27 is right there, and that's this fuse here. And here's what the fuse looked like when I took it out. And you can see that it's burnt on one side where I believe the loose connection arced and maybe fried the wire a little bit and made for a short. Now this can happen unexpectedly at any time. My truck had 190,000 miles on it and is 11 years old when it first happened. And I was at a Sunday birthday party and I was stranded because the truck will crank but it won't start. You sure don't want to be stranded out in the woods with a load of wood on the truck and have this happen, or some other place that would make it very difficult to get towed or whatever you need to do. And Ford does make a kit that you can buy to reroute that circuit to a sturdier fuse, but that doesn't help you when you're stranded. So I've got a hack that I found that may help you get out of that fix and keep you running until you can get the fuse rerouted. When I was stranded, a friend of mine came along that's a mechanic, and he just happened to have some 20 amp fuses with him. I didn't have any, and here's what we did. The fuse he had was one of these little bit bigger 20 amperes. It's called a mini, and as you can see, it's just a little bit bigger than the fuse I had. So what we did is we tried to jam that bigger fuse in to that 20 amp spot and managed to get it in quite a ways, and tried the truck and it started. So that re-established that connection to the fueling system. So I don't know how long this fix is going to last. I mean, it got me out of a jam on a Sunday afternoon, and wherever your truck decides to quit, maybe it'll help you to get out of that jam too, if you get yourself a package of these mini blade fuses, carry it with you in the truck. Thanks for watching, hope that helps. Bye now.